Hi, my name is Jade from Thinkware's customer support team, and today we're going to be talking about temporary system files on the SD card. We have a lot of people contacting us asking about these temporary files that take up all the SD card space. As soon as you put the SD card into the dash cam, it's going to load all of these temporary files, so it makes the SD card look full. As you can see here, it does look full. However, once we go onto the card itself, there's only been one file recorded. So these temporary files here at the top are what's taking up all of this space. This is completely normal. These files actually serve as a backup to every file recorded to ensure that there's no corrupted footage. These cannot be deleted. There is no need to worry about these files as they're overwritten as the dash cam records. So this is not an SD card error and nothing to worry about. If you have any questions about the temporary system files, please reach out to our support team and we'd be happy to answer your questions.